You have the Samsung Galaxy S25, super brand new phone, looks like this, and you unfortunately have forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. You know you need to reset the phone, but then when you go to power your phone off to reset it, it won't even let you power off the phone without the PIN, pattern, or password. Let's solve that. All right, we need to solve that by forcing the phone to turn off. To do so, we're going to hold volume down and power for a long time, and that will force shut off the phone. So volume down and power. I'm going to touch the screen a couple times so it stays on. Volume down and power. So I want the screen to stay on now because I'm going to switch to volume up and power as soon as the screen shuts off right there. Volume up and power. Make that move as quick as you can. We're going to keep holding for 8 to 10 more seconds, maybe a little more. As soon as we see the Samsung logo, we're going to let go with both fingers right there. It vibrated at me. Now we can reset the phone pretty easily. All right, now pay attention here because we have two warnings as we are resetting the phone. We're going to scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Pause and read and understand this here on this screen or on your own phone. If you reset the phone, you still 100% need to log in with your Google or Gmail account. All right, and you press power for yes, power for OK. It brings up the second warning. Will this wipe all user data? All data on this device will be erased 100%. If you're ready to move on, you scroll down once with volume keys, press factory data reset, power for OK, power for yes. We're waiting for this data wipe. His complete message could take just a few seconds to many minutes. Now it is safe to reboot the system. Press power for OK. Hey, if you or your loved one, grandma and grandpa, or your kids need help remembering their PIN, pattern, or password, here's a free worksheet to download that will help you always remember your PIN, pattern, or password. If this video has helped you, please like, please subscribe, do me a favor, and watch this video next.